Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can create a partition in your Windows 10 operating system. So for many people that we need some time, we need to create a new partition for our devices. So in this video, I am going to show you that how you can do this. Okay. If I open my this PC, okay, as you can see, I have 4 drives. This is the local disk C drive where my operating system is installed. This is my hard disk file. There are 3 drive in this case, which is ZHI. So for create a new partition, how you can do it, I'm going to show you. So in the Windows and R button, you have to press the Windows and R button together. Then this kind of a run command will open. Then you have to write here disk mg empty.msc. Okay, so you have to write here all in the small letter case disk mg empty space dot msc, disk mg empty dot msc. Then click on ok. Then this type of disk management page will open. As you can see, here is my C drive, here is my Z drive, here is my H drive, here is my I drive. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new partition from my H drive. Okay, for creating a new partition, you have to click on the right button of the drive. You have to check that this drive is healthy, otherwise this creating new partition is, well, it will be some problem. Okay, so my H drive is healthy, so I'm gonna create a new partition from my H drive. Okay, then click on the right button of the H drive. You will see an option called shrink volume. Okay, you have to click on the shrink volume. Okay, then you have to total size before the shrink in MB, which is 99,234, which means 99 GB. The full H drive is 99 gigabyte, and the size of the available shrink space in MB, which is 51,275. So enter the amount of space to shrink in, and 51. You can create a new hard partition from this free spaces. So if you want to make a new partition for how many gigabyte, for example, if you want 10 gigabyte, so then how you can convert it? So you have to write here gigabyte to megabyte. Okay, then you have to write here is 50. As you can see, 5B, which means 50,000. Okay, sorry, if you want to 10 gigabyte, you have to write 10. Okay, you have to write here 10. Then if you click on shrink, the new partition will be created. So this is how you can create a new drive or new partition for your Windows 10 operating system. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.